Hi guys, we're at South Bristol NHS Community Hospital. Makes a change. Grandson's hurt his hand, so Nanny's taking him into the accident and emergency, or whatever they call it, so we can have a look at it. So I think I'll have a go at this one. Cost me 60p in a charity shop. Pretty sure I've done one of these before. It looks familiar. Oh, losing the bits already. A couple of wheels there. Thunderbirds 2. Put my glasses on. I'm filming this with my new Samsung Galaxy A71. I've just printed a new bracket so it fits onto my tripod easily, which is attached to the steering wheel of the car. So that's A, that's B, and it appears these are both C. Identical. So we need C1, from both of them. Catch the bits. Little slot there. Little slot there. Okay, we need B2. B. That way up to B2 goes through there. Okay. And the motor goes in there. Okay. Now A3. Hold it the right way round, that way, so that's A3. A3 goes up the back there. B4, B4, goes down here. A5, A. Yeah. So it works. Thunderbird 2. Took me 41 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.